Good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss a topic called multiplexer and demultiplexer. And already we discussed some topics. They are half adder, full adder, parallel adder, and two's complement adder topics. Already we discussed in the last class. And today we are going to discuss about the new topic called multiplexer and demultiplexer. Generally, how do we define multiplexing means, and the main concept of multiplexing is transmitting all signals over single channel is called as multiplexing, or that is called as a multiplexing technique. Generally, this multiplication technique is done by a transmitter, or multiplication technique or process is done at transmitter side. At receiver side, reverse process will be done. At receiver side, reverse process will be done, that is called as a demultiplexer. So now in this topic we discuss digital multiplexing techniques. Suppose there are four signals. We transmit only one signal over the channel. In other time we transmit other signal, like that. But thing is that all channels will be transmitted over single channel, or all signals will be transmitted over single channel. This is the multiplexing techniques. The device which process this technique is called as multiplexer. The reverse process of multiplexer is called as demultiplexer. Recap. In the earlier classes, we have discussed about serial adder, parallel adder, comparison of serial and parallel adder. Serial adder, parallel adder, comparison of serial and parallel adders. Objectives. On completion of this period, you would be able to know operation of 4 into 1 multiplexer, operation of 1 into 4 demultiplexer, or we can say operation of 4 to 1 multiplexer and operation of 1 to 4 demultiplexer. Multiplexer. If we say multiplexer in digital form, we can say like this. If there are a group of select lines or inputs, only one will be allowed at a time. Suppose there are 4 inputs have to be transmitted over the channel, then one of them will be allowed at a time. That is called multiplexing. Let us see now. Multiplexer selects binary information from one of many input lines and directs it to a single output line. Means what? It means one input line will be allowed to the output at a time. Not all input lines will be allowed at a time. Multiplexer, also known as the data selector circuit. Selection is controlled by particular set of input lines whose number depends on the number of data input lines. For a 2 power n to 1 multiplexer, there are 2 power n data input lines and n selection lines whose bit combination determines which input is selected. Consider an integer m which is constrained by the following relation. That is m equal to 2 power n, where m and n are both integers. A m to 1 multiplexer has m inputs d0, d1, d2 up to m minus 1. One output. N control inputs S0, S1, S2, Sn minus 1. One or more enable inputs such that y may be equal to one of the inputs depending upon the control inputs. Four to one multiplexer or 4 into 1 multiplexer. See this diagram. It has 4 input lines. Two select lines S1, S0. Data output is 1. One enable input. If the mux is enabled, for two select lines S1 and S0, we get two combinations 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1 combinations we get. Whenever for select lines, if there are 0 0 bits, output will be D0. It means D0 line will be selected. For 0 1 combination, output will be D1. It means D1 input line is selected as output. For 1 0 combination, D2 input line is selected, or D2 will be allowed to go, or D2 will be allowed to transmit. For 1 1 combination, output is D3. Putting the above information in the form of a Boolean equation. Y equal to S1 dash S0 dash plus S1 dash S0 plus S1 S0 dot dash plus S1 S0. Four to one mux gate level. Gate level means the description of the 4 to 1 multiplexer with respect to the gates used, that is called gate level. Here there are 4 AND gates. For each AND gate, data bits D0, D1, D2, D3 are given to the AND gates. And remaining input lines are given from the select lines S0, S1. From S0 to from S0 S1, the input is given to the NOT gate and that output is given to the second and third AND gates. S0, S1 lines are called as control selection. From there, the outputs of AND gates are given to inputs to the OR gate. Here it is shown that 3 of these signals inputs will always be 0. The other will depend on the data value selected. It means 4 signals will not go to the OR gate. Only one signal will reach to the OR gate. Hence, that is why it is said like that 3 of these signals input will always be 0. This is called gate level explanation of multiplexer. Functional table for S1, S0 For 0 0 select lines, D0 will be allowed. For 0 1 select lines, D1 will be allowed. For 1 0 select lines, D2 will be allowed. For 1 1 select lines, D3 will be allowed. Demultiplexers. A decoder with an enable input can also function as demultiplexer. A decoder with an enable input can also function as a demultiplexer. Demultiplexer is a logic circuit that performs a reverse multiplexer function. The demultiplexer is a circuit that receives information on a single line and transmits this information on several output lines. It means it has one input and many output lines. This is about demultiplexer. One line to 4 line demultiplexer. It contains one data input E, two select lines S0 and S1 and 4 output lines. The data input information is directed to only one of the output lines as specified by the binary value of the two select lines. S0 and S1. Logic symbol of demultiplexer. For this, one data input that is called enable input, and data select lines. Multiplexer 1 to 4. Data output lines are D0, D1, D2, D3. Data select inputs S1, S0 or S1, S2. Data output selected. For 0, 0, output is 0, D0. For 0, 1, output is D1. For 1, 0, output is D2. For 1, 1, output is D3. Consider the logic circuit of 1 to 4 demultiplexer. The input data line goes to all of the AND gates. The two select lines enable only one gate at a time, and data appearing on the input line will pass through selected gate to the associated output line. Quiz. In the quiz, the circuit that selects one of 8 inputs is known as option A 1 to 8 demultiplexer, 8 to 1 multiplexer, option C 1 to 8 multiplexer, option D 8 to 1 demultiplexer. It is called 1 to 8 multiplexer. Answer is 1 to 8 multiplexer. Option C is the right answer. Second quiz. A multiplexer has one data input and number of data outputs. Option B, one data output and number of data inputs. Option C, one data output, number of data inputs and a number of select inputs. Option D, one data output and a number of select inputs. Here for our question, one data output, a number of data inputs and a number of select inputs is the right answer. For that, option C is the right answer. A multiplexer with 4-bit data select input is 4 to 1 mux, 4 to 1 multiplexer, 8 to 1 multiplexer, 16 to 1 multiplexer, 32 to 1 multiplexer. In this, our answer is 4 to 1 multiplexer. Option A is the right answer. Fourth, a 4-variable logic expression can be realized by NAND gate, NOR gate, demultiplexer, 16 to 1 multiplexer. Frequently asked questions. Define the multiplexer. Explain the working of 4 to 1 multiplexer. Explain the working of 4 to 1 multiplexer. Explain the working of 1 to 4 demultiplexer. These are the frequently asked questions. Assignment. List the applications of multiplexer. In this, we discussed frequently asked questions and some quiz questions. These are the quiz questions which we discussed already. And we discussed clearly about the truth table of the demultiplexer and truth table of multiplexer. We discussed multiplexer with gate level, and we discuss about the symbols of the multiplexer and the demultiplexer. Demultiplexers also discussed. Yeah, it is a gate level multiplexer. The gate of multiplexer looks like this. If it is made by simple logic, and we discussed expression of the output of multiplexer. It is shown here y equal to s1 dash s0 dash plus s1 dash s0 plus s1 s0 dash plus s1 s0. This is the final equation. So we discuss in the next class with new topic.